By the way, you see the resumption of trade on DJT there, now up some 34%. Jim, in terms of us...
Wow, I mean, look at this, will you?
What's that?
No, the DJT, I mean, if I were Donald Trump, now it's 8 million shares. This is the moment where you say that you have an obligation to release more shares. And I've got shares that I'd like to release.
Yep.
And the board can do that. The board can say no, but the board, I think, I'm not sure where Mr. Trump's head is, but this is a moment where he could very easily say, look, the stock's up 286%. No one would mind if I sold stocks, so please let me do it. Now, he may say, I don't need to, because he's prideful, but I don't know. I think that no one would begrudge him if he went to the board and say, look, I'd like to have some stock released.
Well, there was a nice piece in the FT yesterday about the ratio of insider selling to buying. I mean, it's fairly bearish, you could argue, but it hasn't stopped some of these names from powering higher. Meta's a good example.
Well, I just think if you own stock in one of these mega caps and you're not selling, that it's almost like, from the point of view of estate planning, you're being very foolish. Any one of these people should be selling. But when I look at, they all have such faith. I mean, they just have faith in their companies, but they should be selling some, because the movement in the mega caps versus everything else is so extraordinary that it's a good time to be able to raise some money.
Right.
People aren't going to, you raise money when you can sell, when the stocks are really screaming. Don't raise money when the stocks are going down.